Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to give you guys a little education on how to follow through with our futures trading signals. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, on our Telegram channel, or rather on our Telegram community, we have two distinct groups. The first one is the Abe Jacobs Trades, and the second one is the Abe Jacobs Drops. The Abe Jacobs Drops is for the free airdrop platform. So if you are joining that group, you will be receiving free airdrop updates and also information as well. However, on our trading group, this is where we provide the signals, the spot signals, the future signals, the holding signals, and the degen trading as well. So guys, if you want to join this particular group, it is not a free group. You need to pay about 10 USDT for you to get into this group, and it is a one-time lifetime payment. So guys, for those on this group and for members on our other channel too as well, it's not just about airdrops. You can also make money in crypto by buying and holding tokens, by longing and shorting tokens based on the market conditions. I said it to my members right here that I'll be giving them a video on how to follow through with our futures signal. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade futures, there's a particular crypto education that we offer as well. So if you are joining our trading group, we will not just be giving you signals to follow, we'll also be giving you crypto educations in which you are going to learn about the market as well. But this particular video is just dedicated in order to show you guys how to follow through with our futures signals, and the video is going to be divided into two. The first part will be the signal aspect and the second part will be the precautions. Now let's follow through with the signal aspect. Now most of our signals, they come in this format. Now whenever you see a signal in this format, the shorts ARB, that's the token we are shorting. We have our leverage, our target, our stop loss. Now in the trading world, for those trading forex and those trading futures, we tend to use two particular orders, or rather two particular actions. I'll be showing you guys all this in the exchange that we are about to use, but I just want you to know this is how our trading signal comes. Now once you receive this signal, all you have to do is to follow through with this. Now, before you can even start trading on an exchange, you need to first of all get your USDT. There are several ways you can get your USDT, but most of the channel is being done by a P2P merchant. So please log on to your exchanges, be it Binance, be it Bybit, be it KuCoin, be it Gate.io. Log in to your particular exchange, get your P2P merchant, buy USDT from them, and once your USDT has been bought, it's going to display in your assets as soon as the merchant has credited you. Now for those using Gate.io, once you've received your USDT, the next thing you are going to do is to go to the assets section. Now as you guys can see, I'm using a unified account because right now most exchanges, they are using unified accounts. Before, we used to have the sports account separate and the futures account separate, but right now we are having an account joining the two of them. So guys, make sure you upgrade your account to a unified account in order for you to start trading as well. However, if your account is not upgraded into a unified account, it is very easy. Once you receive your USDT, it's going to go in the spot section. So all you have to do is come over to the transfer section, in which you are now going to transfer it from spot to futures. Mine is not showing that because I've already upgraded my account to the unified, so you don't have to worry about that. It's still the same thing. If you have not upgraded your account, you are going to see it demarcated as sports and futures. Now If you have yours as a unified account, any USDT you deposit will be used for your spot signal and will also be used for your futures signals as well, or rather for your spot trading and your futures trading as well. Now guys, let's get into the main deal of this particular video, the futures market. Now the futures market is no different from the forex trading that we all hear about. It's basically the same thing. Now what we are doing in futures trading is that we are making, or rather in a way we are making bets on the market through our analysis. Now buy long means we are expecting price to go up from our point of entry. Sell short means that we are expecting price to go down from our entry. If price follows through in our direction, we make profit. If price goes against our direction, we make a loss. So in this aspect of trading in crypto, there is risks included. That is why for each and every of our crypto signal, we always include stop losses. Now, once you are in any exchange, all you have to do is go to the futures section. First thing you are going to do while coming here is to change the order to market. You are going to change the order to market, which means that you are getting that asset at that exact price. However, you can also change it to limit, because some of our signals may follow through with limit. So once the limit is there, all you have to do is just put in the price right here. The price that it's included in the signal, you just have to put it. Is as simple as that. Now let's assuming this is Bitcoin. There are two types of limit order. We have buy limit and we have sell limit. Buy limit means that we are buying below the current market price. Sell limit means we are selling above the current market price. So right now Bitcoin is at this price. Let's say I want to place a buy limit order. All I have to do is just pick a price lower than this. So which means that I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down and I want to get it at a much more cheaper price rather than this price. Then if I place a sell limit, that means that I'm expecting Bitcoin to go higher. So I want to sell at a more premium price than the current price. So that is for the limit section. But you guys don't have to worry. Most of our signals comes at the market price. So if the signal says you have to buy immediately, all you have to do is just leave it at the market price. As you have it here, you have the best market price. Now you are going to input your value, which is the value of your USDT. Now I have not funded my account yet. You guys can see that I only have about 2.04 USDT here, which means that I can only trade with just these $2. Now depending on the amount you have in your trading account, you can input any amount you want to trade. Now for me right now, I can take the whole $2 and decide to trade everything off. Now, after you've inputted the amount of USDT you want to risk on this trade, then the next thing you are going to put is the TP and the stop loss. Now, including the TP and the stop loss, this is where the idea of the signal comes through. Now, following this last signal that we gave, we are looking at ARB. So the first thing you are going to do is search for the coin ARB. After you've searched for the coin, you click on the coin. Then the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to put in your TP and your stop loss. Now in this signal, I have my TP at 0.45, but let me put mine at 0.43. And I have my stop loss from the signal at 0.51. Now this is a sell order because we are going short. Short means we are selling, buy means, or long means we are buying. So once you've inputted your value of USDT, all you have to do is click on this particular order. Then if I click on sell short now, the trade is going to be activated for me. I already have my TP and my stop loss inputted already. Now all you have to do after the order has been processed, all you have to do is just wait for your trade to either go to a profit or to go in a loss. So this type of trading in crypto is very risky. However, this video doesn't comprehend or it doesn't contain the whole aspect of the risks and information involved about futures trading. So if you are watching this video and you are interested in trading and making money from the crypto market, it's not just about farming airdrops. There are also many ways to make money in crypto, and this is one of it. However, this is just the risky aspect. So guys, like I said before in the beginning of this video, this is just the part one for this video, just to teach you guys how to follow through with our signals. Now, the part two of this video will be made later on, and I want you all to please watch that part two, because the part two is going to go further deeper into the information you need to know and also the risks involved in trading this market. So I hope by now you guys, especially for members in our group, I hope you've been able to understand how to follow through with our signals right now. So if you are watching this video, if you've watched this video and we are dropping these signals, make sure you are doing this same exact thing and you keep making your money. It's as simple as that. Also do well to join our Telegram channel, where we share free airdrop offers and updates as well, and also our trading group, which is going for just a very cheap price of about $10 for a lifetime fee. We also have our trial group as well, where you can be receiving trial signals in order for you to still make some money from now until you are actually able to, or rather you are ready and prepared to join the trading group. So that's it for this video, guys. Like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.